Alright, GBMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Bart Star 8x10. This is the main. So we'll check the time, October 31st at 1:23 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. We have October 31st at 1:23 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries, including our mini spots. We're just going to randomize names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 11 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Greg. Spot 10 is your winner. So, Greg, please get with me to collect your star. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, October 31st, 1:24 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.